Best air fryer oven combo. Are you tired of cluttered kitchen counters but still want perfectly crispy meals? Finding the best air fryer oven combo can be overwhelming with so many options out there. That is exactly why I bought the top 5 models to test them myself, so you don't have to waste your money. Let's get right into it. Product number 1. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. When I pulled the unit out of its box, the stainless steel build felt incredibly solid. My favorite part was opening those elegant French doors with just a single pull. It immediately gave my kitchen a professional vibe. During my testing, the massive 26-quart capacity easily handled a whole 6-pound chicken. I noticed the dual-speed fan circulated superheated air beautifully, giving me golden, crispy skin without even rotating the bird. I used a few of the 24 digital presets, and they took all the guesswork out of baking and dehydrating. The included accessories meant I had everything needed right away to start cooking. If you regularly cook for a family of 5 or love hosting dinner parties, this spacious option is your ideal match. Sliding right over to a more classic, compact design, I found another powerhouse that keeps things simple yet surprisingly highly effective. Product number 2. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, 1800 watts, TOA 70NAS. When I first touched this appliance, I loved the traditional manual knobs. It felt incredibly sturdy on my counter, and the stainless steel finish looked very premium. During my cooking tests, I noticed the 1800 watts of power heated up almost instantly. The convection fan is impressively quiet, but moves air so efficiently that my fries were perfectly crunchy in just minutes. I used the broil function for melting cheese on a sandwich, and the 60-minute timer gave me total control over the exact crispness. Having 8 different functions in a slightly smaller 0.6 cubic foot footprint saved me so much valuable counter space without ever sacrificing performance. If you prefer tactile knobs over digital screens and want reliable everyday performance, this is absolutely for you. Moving on to a truly modern digital alternative, I was really blown away by the very unique style of front doors. Product number 3. Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven FO101. When I set this machine up, I immediately noticed how smoothly the doors opened. The build feels rugged, and the controls are extremely user-friendly. My favorite part of testing was seeing the 10 different functions in action. I loaded up the 5-quart basket with wings, and they came out wonderfully crisp. The 20.3-quart capacity is quite large, giving me plenty of room for family meals. I was genuinely relieved to see that the cooking surfaces are entirely free of harsh chemicals, ensuring my food stays safe. Plus, throwing the sheet pan and wire rack straight into the dishwasher saved me a ton of scrubbing time after dinner. Product number 4. Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo SP151. When I first grabbed this sleek device, it felt remarkably light compared to the others. The stainless steel shines beautifully, and the flip mechanism feels incredibly smooth and secure. During my kitchen testing, I was amazed at how the 1800 watts delivered extremely fast cooking. I used the air fry basket to make some potato wedges, and they browned perfectly in record time. The 8 distinct functions handled daily tasks easily, but the real star here is the storage. I noticed that when I flipped it up against the backsplash, I reclaimed nearly my entire counter. Pulling out the removable crumb tray made cleaning ridiculously easy. Product number 5. Smurley Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 25-liter. When I unboxed this model, the gorgeous blue finish instantly caught my eye. It felt super well constructed, and the digital display looked bright and crisp. During my trial runs, I noticed how spacious the 25-liter interior really is. I baked an entire 12-inch pizza with ease, and the crust came out beautifully even. Later, I toasted 6 slices of bread at once, saving me so much time during a busy morning. The 10 different functions cover everything you could possibly want to cook, and the convection fan circulates hot air fast for great frying results. The stainless steel inside wipes clean very easily. If you want a stylish statement piece that actually delivers great meals, this is it. Now that we have covered all the products, let us talk about your ultimate buying choice before you go shopping online later on today for your new kitchen.
All 5 models offer fantastic crispy results, but your choice depends on your specific budget and kitchen size. While the flip-up unit saves room, the larger ones provide maximum family value. Check the links in the description below for the most current prices today.